So here's our video of our 87 Porsche 944S. I'm really going to let the car mostly speak for itself. I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking, but I will point out a few things since I go around the car to let you know what I know about it. About 130,000 miles. It's had a few owners. The car comes with a slew of documentation and the repairs that have been done over the years. Most recently, it just had a timing belt done and associated components. I have all the receipts that come with it. They come with the car. You'll see pictures of them in the ad. And so the timing belt was done maybe, 1,000 miles ago. And it's got all kinds of work that's been done to it over the years and how well it's been kept up. And my other video shows underneath the vehicle. What you can see underneath is really clean for its year and its age. Let's look inside. The gray interior is in pretty amazing shape. Still has the Porsche print on the seats. 5-speed with working air condition. Sorry about that. Lens has a little bit of something on my lenses here. Seat folds down like it should. The back seat's probably barely ever been used. Inside the glove box, looks like some maybe owner's manual stuff that goes in there. I'll fix that here in a sec. That little hinge comes out when I drop that. It does have an aftermarket CD player. But overall, this car's in really nice shape. And it actually just comes with one key. That's all we got with the car. This thing's always been pretty much in Arizona. I tracked it back to Scottsdale for many years and in the Phoenix area. And probably want to look under the hood. Let's check under the hood again. Out this side. Got some Porsche floor mats. These things always slide up and interfere with the gas pedal. So if you feel like you're only getting like 3/4 throttle, pull down the floor mat and it'll fix the problem. So a couple of the few flaws I know about this car. The paint's got a little bit of on the roof here and in the front hood. It's got looks like maybe the clear's burning through. Not bad, but it's noticeable when you really look at it. Hatch. Let's see here. I'm gonna pop this real quick. This carpet's pretty dirty. Struts work fine. It does have new hood struts. Window tint's kind of old, but it's workable, it's doable. Obviously we got some dirty carpet there. And I think I have pictures of this up in the ad underneath here. Yeah. Seat does fold down like it's supposed to. It just takes, here, I think it takes two people to do it because it's hard for me to do it with one hand. Your third brake light. The spoiler's in really nice shape. I mean, this car's been in a garage or under a cover most of its life. Let's see. It does have a crease on the door, which is hard to see, but it's there. Got scratches, of course, you're going to find in the front spoiler, which is pretty typical. And the color is amazing color. Like a silver pearl. But it's kind of funny because sometimes it looks gold, sometimes it just looks like this amazing silver color. New hood struts. It's a recent timing belt, and very clean under the hood. Of course, being an Arizona car, you're not going to see any rust on this thing, other than mild surface rust at best. And what else can I tell you? AC works great. The last owner was actually a doctor, and he used to drive it from Tucson to San Diego once a month, and he'd stay out in San Diego. Yeah, this is disconnected for the cruise control. Not sure why it's disconnected, but it is. Anyway, he used to drive from Tucson to San Diego once a month, stay out in San Diego for a week, and then work and come back to Tucson. So this thing had to be reliable for the guy. And it is. We kept it that way. AC. Can't feel it, but it is cold. All the gauges seem to work. I was driving this car in the Arizona weather yesterday, where it was 106 with the AC on, in traffic, not a speck of issues. Gauge never went past the normal spot, temperature gauge, and very, very reliable and enjoyable. That being said, I'm gonna go for a quick drive around the neighborhood. The phone dial wheels are original. The tires are actually in really nice shape also. Let's see here. All the headlights work like they're supposed to. I think this thing's got another nick of paint somewhere. I don't know, can't remember where it's at, but I'll find it. Lit rear garnish is kind of cool for this year. I'm not sure what years they put that on, but it's kind of cool. And there's another chip in the paint somewhere, but again, don't expect it to be perfect, but it's probably perfect for you or anybody who's looking at this thing. Oh, that's what it was too. This thing's got a rattle. The video of going underneath this, I think I found the rattle. I think it's an exhaust hanger is loose, and that I hear it every once in a while when I'm driving. Oh, I hate driving in the sun. But that's about the only thing I can really find on this car that's really annoying, that worth mentioning, is the rattle and the when I'm driving. Turn off some Kansas there, and I hear it once in a while in here. It's not horrible, but it's something worth mentioning. Okay. Let's take it for a quick spin. Sorry about this glare. The aftermarket radio works nice. CD player. I think it's even got a USB hookup for your iPod and stuff. Let's see, yeah. So that's kind of nice. Say hi to the neighbors. So I really can't go fast in this neighborhood here. It'd kill me. The car does run very flawless, in my opinion, especially for its age. Shifts very nice. Clutch feels great. Not sure what else I can tell you about it, but hey neighbors, how's it going? Turn down the headlights off. Let's see here. Turn the headlights off. Turn the headlights off. Turn the headlights off. There we go. Back to first. So anywho, that is our 944. Relatively low mileage for its year. Awesome color combination. And I won't find another one like it. This clean for, you know, no reserve especially. I know it's kind of taking a chance at selling this as no reserve, but I'm not too worried about it. I know it'll do well and it'll go to a great home. We go that way. Let's go this way. Head out to the main street. But we hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, let me know. Again, it's located in Tucson, Arizona. And it's got a clean Arizona title. I think that's about it. Take it for a spin around the block and go back home. I do appreciate you watching. Let's see here. I hate driving into the sun. Thanks again for watching our Porsche. And if you have any questions, let me know.